Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you about my project, that is piezoelectricity. Piezo means pressure. When we apply pressure on the piezoelectric plates, it will produce electricity. We can use this idea to produce electricity in public places where there is a lot of movement of people, for example schools, malls, offices, etc. Come, let's see more about this project. This is the circuit diagram for this project. So here we have our piezoelectric plate. The inner side is the positive path and the outer side is the negative path. So now it is connected to the bridge rectifiers. There are 4 diodes. So the negative part is connected to the negative part of the capacitor, and the positive side is connected to the positive part of the capacitor. Now it is connected to the LED. When we apply pressure on the positive part of the piezoelectric plate, the LED glows. So this is the concept of this project. We can take the electricity which is produced in this project and store it in a battery, and later whenever we need it, we can make use of it. I have totally used 8 piezoelectric plates on this project, and the positive parts of all the piezoelectric plates are connected to one wire, and all the negative parts of the piezoelectric plates are connected to another wire. These 2 wires are connected to the 4 diodes, which is the bridge rectifiers. The other 2 ends of the bridge rectifiers are connected with the capacitor, as shown in the circuit diagram. Now the LED is connected along with the capacitor. I have connected 2 wires in the positive and the negative end of the capacitor to show the amount of current which is produced with the help of a multimeter. I have connected a rechargeable battery so that the electricity which is produced by the piezoelectric plates can be stored and used to glow these LEDs later on. I have kept a single piezoelectric plate connected along with a LED to show the simple working of the piezoelectric plate. I have connected the positive and the negative ends of the capacitor to the multimeter to show the amount of current produced by these piezoelectric plates. After charging the rechargeable battery using the electricity produced by the piezoelectric plates, if we turn the switch on, the LED glows because it is connected to the battery. Now I'm going to explain to you about all the components which I have used in this project. Piezoelectric plates. So the positive part of the piezoelectric plates is made up of quartz crystals. That is why when we apply pressure on this positive part, the quartz crystals produce electricity. The electricity which is produced is only in AC current. In order to convert it into DC current, we use the bridge rectifiers. The AC current which is produced by the piezoelectric plates cannot be easily stored. That's the main reason we use the bridge rectifiers. The capacitor is used to store the electricity produced by the piezoelectric plates. Here I have used 1.5 volts capacitor. I hope you like this project. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.